Bicycling, baby, Finn. He's got them little kicks. He's getting cranky.
It's gonna be a cranky bicycler.
He likes to watch baseball.
And it's over and he's sad.
Yeah. The baseball game ended and now he's upset.
What are we gonna do now? Take a bath? Go night-night?
Uh-oh.
Doesn't sound like he wants to do that. Oh, Bubba. Oh, honey. Cut?
Yeah, is it cut time? It's okay.
Go, ooh, ooh. Do the ooh thing, it's so cute.
What is it?
He goes, ooh.
Oh, you mean him?
Yeah.
I was like, what are you talking about?
If I do it to him, he does it to me back
Ooh,
sometimes.
ooh.
Not that.
That's the sound he makes. He's just way cuter when he does it.
Yeah. Bubba's. Hey, who's my big boy? Who's my big boy? Hey.
Alright, might be bath time.